Well, the upstairs is progressing nicely. They're starting to put the paint on, get the subfloor put down so they could put the new vinyl flooring in. I have moved downstairs. Casey has torn out the drywall that used to enclose that light, which has been redirected. So this is all open now. It used to be covered up with drywall. See how that comes out? That drywall has been beaten back so that we can expose the beams. There are a lot of things wrong with these beams, including holes for the electrical to be run through, as well as cracks. So I have put on a massive amount of plates and inserted 6-inch rods for support where needed. Then there's the rest of the hallway beams that are in dire straits, which have also been reinforced. Then we have the bathroom, which I don't know if you can see, that has some cracks that run across. On that side, this side looks pretty good, but this side looks pretty good on this one, but the back side does not. So we have put a lot of plates in place to hold those. And the final area that will be done at the same time will be this bedroom. You can see stress cracks quite prodigious on that particular beam. These beams have all been reinforced. This beam is really strong, really in good shape, but we still are going to be adding a lot of flooring up above on the 2 bedrooms upstairs, so excess weight will be put on this that maybe hasn't been on it in the 40 years of its previous existence. So we want to address all that. So come Monday, I will be mixing up the epoxy patching compound, fill in all these holes, pressure it back into all of these cracks, let it go off, fill in all these holes here and gashes, and then apply drywall mud and do the same thing down here that was done upstairs.